Brian Fowler with Easy Profit Secrets, and in this video I want to show you how, if you're lucky enough to get one of my ready-to-go resale rights websites.
Virus database has been updated.
Excuse that noise. If you are lucky enough to get one of my resale rights websites, I'm going to show you how you can just go in and change the PayPal button, so you can just use the site as is. If you don't want to go through and edit the whole thing, you can just plug in your own PayPal button, and it's real easy to do. So what I'm going to do right now is just go to PayPal. It's free to join. You're going to want a let me get into PayPal here. I'll show you something. It was a little bit slow with this recorder turned on, but okay, here we go. Okay, you're going to want to apply for a merchant account. It's free, but you need a merchant account so that you can accept payments from other people. And what you're going to do, you're just going to go in to your merchant services, and you're going to create either an add to cart button or a buy now button. You just click on the button, and then it'll ask you certain questions about what it is that you're selling. So let's let that load real quick. Okay, now whether you're accepting payment for products or services, you just click on whatever it is that you're selling here, and we're selling a product, and we want a buy now button, and the name of the item, let's put a name in here, Master Marketing System. Okay, and you can put an item ID and okay, and the price, you can put in whatever price you want to charge for it. If you got the resale rights, you can ask whatever you want. I'm just gonna put a low price in for today only, and let's see. This is what you're gonna get: a buy now button, and let's see. We've got 0 shipping and 0 tax because it's just an information product. We're going to go by secure merchant account ID. They'll give you a merchant account ID once you sign up for a merchant account if you don't already have one. And then we want to go down to customize advanced features. And down here it'll ask you if you want to let the customer change order quantities. No. And we don't want to have any special instructions, and we don't need a shipping address. And we want the customer to go to a special page if they cancel in the middle of the process. So if they cancel in the middle of the process, I want to take them to just any page, and you can go back and edit this later. I'm going to go ahead and make a button for another product that I've got. Okay. And then I want to write that down, so I plug something in there. Easy video, last chance. what you can do there, you can just put in an offer to save them $10, so you don't completely lose a sale. If they back out of the sale here, you just put in, how about $10 off? And then here is where you want to take them on a successful checkout. So this is where I'm going to go. Let's see. I'll go to the thank you page. Let's see. profitsecrets.com. I'll just copy this. And I'll just paste it in here. And then slash thank you. You might put a number in there just so people don't stumble on it. Anyway, I'll have to go and change it since I showed you where where one of my buttons is going. So anyway, we don't want to add any variables, and so we're going to create the button. And it just takes a couple seconds. And now we've got some code. You don't want to use this long code. It can mess up when you're loading, when you're moving website templates around. So I always use the email code. It's simple and it works perfect. So just copy that, paste it on a notepad if you want to not lose it. Make sure it's all there. Okay, and that's it. So all we have to do now is go back to what you want to do is pull up your template. You want to open your template in an HTML editor. Okay, so I've got my template here, and I want to open up the source. Actually, I can open up the editor, and I can go down here and I can click somewhere near this order button, and then click the source button, and then it's gonna, okay, we can see where this blinking line is. That's where you are, and then you just, right above that should be your PayPal code. And you just look, you'll look for a little string of code that looks just like what you just recorded. So you'll just have to look for that little piece of code that says PayPal. And here it is right here. It says on click, window location. Okay, so now we're going to open our notepad. Oops, the wrong one. Okay, and it's going to be the button ID. So we're going to do, we're just going to do this, and then we're going to paste it right over the one that's already existing. So you just from the HTTPS to the end of the number, you just click and then paste, and then your new number is now in there. And then you want to go back to, and then you just click the preview button. This will pull up an HTML version that's online, and then you can click that button and see if it takes you to your PayPal account. And if it did, you're successful, and then you're ready to upload this template to your website. Okay, so here we go. It's we got our $47 button for the master marketing system. We're done at PayPal, so we'll just click. Well, I'm just going to click out of there and go back to editor. Okay, now we just want to click on our source. What we do, we just we get our source code back. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Okay, this is our source code for the page. You just click anywhere on the page, select all, copy, open a new notepad, and paste it in there. Okay, now this is our whole website script right here. It's an HTML script, so we're gonna file it just so we don't lose it. We're gonna file it, save as. Now, whatever you want to name it, you just want to name it something that you won't forget. So, Okay, I'm just going to name it master plan for now and save it. And then I just need to go back and find that. That's all there is to it. I'll see you on the other side.